How to quickly know if someone unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat? If you are wondering whether someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat, there are several quick ways to find out. The first you will launch a Snapchat and go ahead and open chat section. Now, look for the person in your chat list. You'll be able to see all your chat history, but messages may show as pending or the bitmoji or profile icon may disappear. If you are blocked, your chat will disappear from your list entirely. After that, the next step is you need to send a snap to the person. So let's tap on the camera icon at bottom left and then send a blank snap. And after that, if you are unfriended, your snap will show as pending and the gray icon will appear instead of the usual colored arrow. If you are blocked, you won't be able to send a snap or message at all. As you can see that the snap has been delivered, that means we are not unfriended or blocked. Other thing what you can do is you can check your friends list. You need to go to your profile at top left, scroll down and look for my friends. And here you need to check for that particular username, and if they are unfriended or if they have unfriended us, they will not appear on your friend list. If you are blocked, then they will also not appear, but this is similar to being unfriended. Other thing is check their stories. If they usually post stories and you no longer see them, then they have unfriended, blocked or restricted their story visibility. You can easily log into another Snapchat account or ask a friend to reach for their username. If the profile shows up for others but not for you, they may have blocked you. If they appear but you are not on their friends list, then they might have unfriended you on Snapchat. So that's it. From this sign, you can easily know if you are unfriended or blocked. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.